daughters have been on the dance team together for 2 years, and I respect you as a woman. But after witnessing your son's behavior this afternoon, I have significant doubts about your... Our paths through life must be righteous. I urge you to go home and look in the mirror and pray that your son doesn't succumb to the path of fear.
Wait, do you remember that weird gym teacher, Mrs. Farmer? Yeah. Okay, well, my brother told her to shove a book up her ass today. And then my parents just bought him all this new shit. Yeah, I know. I wish a jet engine would fall in my room.
They can show you the way.
Donnie. I know it's gonna sound kind of weird, but do you know anything about time travel?
A wormhole with an Einstein-Rosen bridge, which is theoretically a wormhole in space controlled by man. So, according to Hawking, a wormhole may be able to provide a shortcut for jumping between two distant regions of space.
So in order to travel back in time, you have to have a big spaceship or something that can travel faster than the speed of light,
Theoretically,
and be able to find one of these wormholes.
the basic principles of time travel are there. You've got your vessel and your portal, and your vessel could be just about anything, most likely a spacecraft,
Like a DeLorean.
an aircraft of any kind.
You know, I love that movie, the way they shot it. It's so, like futuristic, you know?
Listen, don't tell anybody that I gave you this. This used to teach her. She was a nun, many years with her, but overnight she just she became this entirely different person. She up and left the church. She wrote this book. She started teaching science. Back in her grade 6.
Time travel. Roberta Sparrow.
That's right.
Come on. Roberta Sparrow. Roberta Sparrow. Grandma Death. It's called the philosophy of time travel.
What does philosophy have to do with time travel?
I guess he wrote it.
Roberta Sparrow. Wrote a book.
Grandma Death wrote a book.
That's a terrible nickname.
We almost hit her with the car the other day.
She lives up there in that piece of crap house, and you know she's loaded. She's...
Yeah, you're right. She used to be known for a gem collection. Kittens. Used to go up there all the time and try to steal stuff from her. She became a total recluse. Huh. I didn't know she was alive till we had her knock her down.
She was just standing there in the middle of the road, frozen. So I got out of the car and I walked over to see if she was okay. And she leaned over and whispered in my ear.
What did she say?
I mean, I think Frank wants me to go talk to her, you know, because the last time I saw him, he asked me if I knew about time travel. And she wrote a book about it, so it can't be like a coincidence, right?
Donnie, what did Roberta Sparrow say to you?
She said that every living creature on Earth dies alone.
How did that make you feel?
It reminded me of my dog, Callie. She died when I was 8, and she crawled underneath the porch.
To die.
To be alone.
Do you feel alone right now?
I mean, I'd like to believe I'm not, but I've just never seen any proof, so I just don't debate it anymore, you know? It's like, I could spend my whole life debating it over and over again, weighing the pros and cons, and in the end, I still wouldn't have any proof, so I just don't debate it anymore. It's absurd.
The search for God is absurd.
It is if everyone dies alone.
Does that scare you?
I don't want to be alone.
And so his tapes have made me realize that for the last 39 years, I have been a prisoner of my own fear.
Muss sich jetzt ausrasten, Schnucki.
Rose, you've got to meet this Jim Cunningham. I can't believe he's single.
And it has been a disappointing night indeed for these Super Bowl champions.